first stand-up song. Waiting at This one, the teacher track is identical to the CD version. So here we go. Alright, let's dance. When it's raining outside, don't you mind? When it's raining outside, you can have a good time. 'Cause you can dance in the rain, dance in the rain, dance in the rain, all day long. No, you can jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, jump in the puddles, all day long. When it's raining outside, don't you mind? When it's raining outside, you can have a good time. 'Cause you can fly in the clouds, fly in the clouds, fly in the clouds, all day long. Oh, you can twirl your umbrella, twirl your umbrella, twirl your umbrella, all day long. When it's raining outside, don't you mind? When it's raining outside, you can have a good time. 'Cause it's raining outside, don't you mind? When it's raining outside, you can have a good time. When it's raining outside, don't you mind? When it's raining outside, you can have a good time. Ta-da! Yeah, I forgot to. A lot of times there are songs that I fade out, so I kind of listen to get them quiet. It's raining outside. You can. It helps to teach them dynamics there too. So it's kind of a self-explanatory song. It just feels good.
Would you address the two parts going at once and?
It's a good question. I think it works just the way I did it there. I mean, of course, people are kind of like, which one do I do? But that's kind of neat because it makes them think that there's two going on. But of course, they will have heard the song on their CDs at home too, so they're used to it. But maybe beforehand, you know, I could say a little thing. Now at the end, it's going to be both at the same time. So let's try to do both. Let's try to do the rain and the dancing at the same time, and the rain and the jumping at the same time. Or something, you know, be a fun thing to try. Did you have an idea?
I know. I was just curious. Maybe breaking up half the group or anything like that.
That's an interesting idea.
It's a neat idea. It happens for such a short time at the end that I don't know. It's tough to break up groups. I think it's too short of an amount of time, but I'm trying to think if.
You could maybe give them the option. So now you can dance or rain, or do both. And because a lot of learning, you want, there's always a ratio. The recommendation that's given is 70-30, meaning 70% instruction and demonstration, but 30% creative, intuitive discovery.
Right.
So that would be, and it's wonderful when within the same lesson to have both parts.
But and I thought it could also be a setup to something where you might spend a little time just on that last bit, a cappella, for fun.
Oh, that could be
toward
neat.
the end of a series or something like that. Hey, we've been singing this all semester or whatever, however it's broken out, and maybe we can do this with it now.
That's
well, let's
nice.
talk about that because Michael, I was going to bring up that song is something that I probably am going to do more activities to. So because it's really a wonderful song, something like we can say, when it's raining outside, don't you mind, 'cause you can hear the wind, hear the wind, hear the wind, all day long. Oh, you can, make wind sounds. Also, you can make the rain sounds like that. And I'm also thinking about using it as a lullaby, where you can say, you can sleep like a baby, sleep like a baby, sleep like a baby, all night long. Like that idea of when you go to sleep on this rain.
That's nice.
You know? So, with every song, there are so many more activities than what we've just written now. And
Did you say though that this is the same as it is on the teacher track?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So we would have to do that a cappella if we did that.
Yeah, exactly. I haven't made. Well, I could make a teach track of this because it's really the same two chords the whole time. I just changed the melody, and I have some different instruments coming in and coming out, but that wouldn't affect, the flexibility of you doing that. So maybe I'll make a note of that.
Well, because then you could have it in the background, and you could actually make wind sounds,
Exactly, 'cause I
or
was
make
thinking about
rain
that.
sounds, or make thunder sounds, and you wouldn't actually lose the rhythm of it.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Yeah, that's really cool. I'll make one. So that'd be good. That'd be really easy. Just read those. And copy and paste it. Goes on a bit longer.
Cool.
Cool. Okay. That's nice.
Good stuff.